Hello student, today we are going to learn what is point function and what is path function under thermodynamics. First, what is point function? This is the horizontal axis, represent volume V. This is the vertical axis, represent pressure P. This is the state 1. This point is state 1. This is pressure P1, this is volume V1. Next, change of state under the process 1, 2. This point is state 2. This is pressure 2 and this is volume 2. Properties of pressure and volume at state 1 is P1 and volume V1. Properties of pressure and volume at state 2. Pressure is P2, volume is V2. So, when a system undergoes a change from one state to another, the properties of the system also change, which depend only on the end state or ends point 1 and point 2. These properties are point function. So, point function depend only on end state or points 1 and 2 and not on the path followed between these two states. Example of the properties: temperature, pressure, volume, etc. These are the example of point function. Okay, this is the dP, difference of pressure P2 and P1. dP equal to P2 minus P1. dP depends on P2 and P1. Also, this is the dV, difference of volume. Difference of volume dV equal to V2 minus V1. dV depends on V2 and V1. This is the exact differential. Okay. So, when a system undergoes a change from one state to another, the properties of the system also change, which depend only on end state, not on the path followed between these two states. Therefore, these properties means here pressure and volume are called point function. Again, we can say any thermodynamic property can be called as point function because it will not depend on the path followed by the system during a process. Okay. Properties are point function. Properties means pressure, volume, temperature, etc. That is, they depend on the state only, not on how a system reaches the state. Okay. Point function can be represented by a point on a plot. On a plot, it is represented on a point. Example of point function are temperature, pressure, volume, etc. Okay. After knowledge of point function, now what is path function? When the system is undergo from 1 to 2 red color, must produce some work or heat. From 1 to 2 process, work done is 1 2 or heat produced in the system Q12. Say when system undergo 1 to 2, work produce W12 and heat produce Q12. This is basically under the curve red color 1 2 W12. We find out the work under the area 1 2 curve. Amount of area depend on path. If path is different, means if path is blue color, area is different. Area under this curve is this, and when path is 1 to 2 red color, area is this. Area amount is larger. A quantity whose value depend on particular path followed during the process is called a path function. So it depends on path followed during the process 1 2. Okay. Path function depend on the path followed during the process 1 2. Here example of path function: heat, work, etc. During the process 1 2, work done W12 equal to dW this cannot be represented by W2 minus W1. This is not represented by W2 minus W1, not equal to W2 minus W1. Value of W12 is the area under the curve, not depend upon W2 minus W1. It is find out area under the curve only. It is inexact differentiate. This is denoted by dW. Just we draw a line equal to 1, 2. Okay. So, any characteristics which depend on path followed by system during any process is called path function. Okay. Path function depends on the path followed during a process as well as on the end state. It requires a particular path and direction to represent the quantity on any plot. Any plot, it is represent a path and direction. Okay. Example of path function are heat, work, etc. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.